Preppers Podcast.
Hey, this is Cam with Casual Preppers, and Kobe wanted me to do a review on this because this is his favorite thing.
Shut up!
Yeah?
I'm just looking at the smoke and go.
Okay. Damn it!
No, just leave it!
You gotta keep it going. I'm not ready.
Oh, you're good.
Hey, I'm Cam with Casual Preppers. Casuals Preppers.
Casuals preppers.
I'm Cam with the Casuals Preppers.
Welcome to this video.
My name is Cam with the Peppers of Casual. Okay. Look at all that smoke we're making, huh?
People are gonna freak out. Go!
Okay. Hey, I'm Cam with Casual Preppers. Today we wanted to do a quick review of the Kettle. So this is a lightweight aluminum kettle that holds 20 ounces of water. It actually gets it cooking really quick because it has a unique design. Put a fire in the base there, and it kind of works as a chimney, and they'll heat up water in just minutes. And then keep your bung hole out, put that back in there, and you can transport your water wherever you like. The end. Yeah.
I'll cut all this shit out. Struggling like a little girl. It's beautiful.
Good Lord. That's not gonna cook. Ooh, chimney. Chimney fire. Ooh. Oh my God. Did you want the rest of that?
Yeah, I kind of wanted it.
I got some. So the Kettle contains the water on the outside, and it kind of works as a chimney. So you're cooking the water all the way around 360. It heats up your water twice as fast than just boiling from the bottom up. You can see down in there, the fire actually burns better too when it's set up like a chimney. It's got a little air vent on the side. And all of this stores away tightly, and it's got a nice little case that it goes in, and you can take it with you wherever you want. So yeah, we definitely recommend the Kettle. Check them out. You can buy them on Amazon, kellykettle.com. Check us out, casualpreppers.com, and subscribe to us, YouTube, Instagram, and yeah, see ya.
Casual Preppers Podcast.